On the 17th of October 2023, I received this email from Darwinex, which said one of my accounts had reached a rating of 75, which is the magical number that you need to hit a guaranteed allocation. But this was on the 17th of October, so there was still about 13 days to go till the end of the month when Darwinex actually sends out the allocation. So it doesn't matter what your rating is in the middle of the month, what matters is the rating right at the very end of the month. But silly me, I continued to trade on this account, and this is what happened afterwards. It went down and down and down. And by the end of the month, I had lost my rating of 75 and I lost my $25,000 allocation. All because I continued to trade after I reached the 75 number. It was a bit disappointing, but I continued to trade that account for the next few months. And 9 days ago, I got another email from Darwinex. This is on the exact same account, and this time my rating is 81, way above the minimum requirement of 75. And this time round, I am eligible for a $30,000 allocation because they have increased the allocation from $25,000 to $30,000. I jumped into my account and stopped all my trading, all my expert advisors, and closed off all the trades. And I've just left it there doing nothing for 9 days. Which is why if you look at my chart today, there is a flat period where there have been no activity. And has my rating changed? No, it is still at 81, which means I'm still eligible for the 30,000 allocation at the end of the month. You'll notice that if I look at the chart today, my position in the ranking system has changed. It was 301. Now it has decreased in ranking. Do I care? Nope. I just want to get my $30,000 in allocation. There are actually two strategies you can employ once you've got this 75 allocation. If we head over to the Darwinex documentation, you'll notice for the silver stage under allocations, if you get a minimum rating of 75, then you will get a minimum allocation of 30,000 euros. The second strategy you can use is to get the best position in the ranking, because the top ranking Darwins for that month will receive a maximum allocation of $375,000. And whatever allocation you get to keep it for 3 months. So if you think you can beat all other participants in the Darwinex Silver, then you can get yourself $375,000 in allocation. Let's take a look at the current rankings. Remember, right now is the 23rd of February, so there's still 7 days to go before this is locked down. And currently in first place is this NCDL person with a potential allocation of 375. And let's scroll down to see when the allocation stops. So the second place we can see is 315, third place is 265, and all down below, these people will still get a significantly big allocation of 110. Let's scroll down a little bit more. So these people are still getting $60,000 in allocation. We're at 69th place now. Scrolling down some more. So now we're at 178th position, and this person's still getting 35 allocation. Scrolling down some more. Oh, there we go. So there is a total of 200 positions available. So the 200th person will get $35,000 in allocation, and the higher number you get, the more allocation you get. So this person has a ranking of 85, whereas my current ranking is 81. I'm not too far off 85. What's my personal strategy for the rest of the month? Absolutely nothing. I'm not going to trade at all on this account so I can get my guaranteed allocation of $30,000. It is good to understand that you don't need to be the best of the best. All you need to be is the top 200 to get bigger than $30,000 in allocation. And this is the strategy you can use for Darwin IA Silver, which is where I am currently in the process. What I showed you before is a Darwinex Classic, which is here in the blue. There are actually two systems you can use to get allocation, which is Darwinex Zero and Darwinex Classic. Both are different but slightly similar. So they both have a different naming convention at the bottom. You've got the zero calibration or the Darwinex trading stage, which pretty means you're trading and Darwinex is trying to understand how you behave. After the training stage, the silver gold is similar across both systems, gold, and then finally up to investors. In the silver and gold stages, Darwinex is the company that is giving you allocation and sponsoring you out of their own pocket. After that, investors can potentially invest in your strategy where you can receive millions and millions of dollars with investor capital. The main difference between Darwinex Classic and Darwinex Zero is the funding structure. With Darwinex Classic, I am trading with my own money just like with any other normal broker. And the Darwinex Classic system is totally free. It doesn't cost me anything to participate. With Darwinex Zero, this system is available to US clients and other countries as well. The Darwinex Zero model is based on a monthly subscription of £38 per month, and you get a 100k virtual trading account. The Darwinex system don't have crazy rules like you'll see with the prop firms. You can have trades open over during the weekend. You can use expert advisors. You can trade the news if you want. You can trade manually. You can trade with expert advisors, and there's no consistency rule. Right now, we're seeing a lot of shady business in the prop firm industry, with brokers pulling the plug on certain prop firms and licenses being revoked by meta quotes left, right, and center. Because the business model for prop firms is they only make money when you lose. So they want you to lose, and they will make up crazy rules and make up random excuses, anything to not get you paid out. This is where Darwinex is different. They genuinely want you to be a profitable trader. Because the end goal here is to get investors. The more profitable and consistent you are, the more investors will invest in your strategy. Personally, I am really tired of seeing all the things that prop firms do in order to deny payouts, which is why I'm no longer taking any more public prop firm challenges. I am all in on Darwinex. If you are also tired of the shady prop firm industry, I do have a discount coupon for you below. And if you want to learn more about Darwinex, watch these videos right here where I go into a lot more detail. Thanks for watching. Bye.